3 tips for making your work feel more satisfying. Do you enjoy your work? Do you feel happy in your workplace? It's become cliché to be frustrated, bored, even angry about your job. In fact, a recent study showed that more than 70% of participants felt disengaged at work. Considering that you spend a large part of your life at work, wouldn't you rather feel happy and fulfilled? The good news is that you can make a few simple changes to your behavior and perspective, and you'll soon start to feel much more engaged. 1. Shift your mindset, shift your beliefs. If you groan when your alarm goes off in the morning and stomp around complaining that you don't want to go to work, you'll start the day on completely the wrong foot. Decide to be more positive about your job. Even the most tedious jobs have positives, if only that you're earning enough to keep a roof over your head and food on the table. Sit down right now and make a list of all the positives about your work. It's usually pretty easy to think of all the grouch aspects of your work, but why not try swapping them out for good things? Do you like your colleagues or clients? Maybe you get to travel or learn new skills. Start with what I genuinely enjoy about my job is, and see how many good things you can list. 2. Try some strategic planning. You probably already keep a weekly or daily to-do list of tasks and reminders. How about mixing it up a bit and being a bit more strategic, and add some bigger goals? Think medium and long term. Where would you like to be in 3 months, 6 months, a year? Do you want to increase your client base? Learn new skills? Think of your next promotion and the one after that. Focus on making sure you do something every day to help you reach your long-term goals. 3. Practice self-care. Self-care at work is important. Keep a pitcher of water on your desk so you stay hydrated throughout the day, and choose healthy snacks rather than donuts and coffee. Make sure you take regular breaks and try to get outdoors during your lunch break. Eating at your desk is a big no-no. Take a proper break and get some fresh air. You'll be a lot more focused in the afternoon because you'll feel better and more positive and productive.